Are you wondering what is taking up space on your computer? Well, I'm going to walk you through how to get rid of all these unwanted files that are taking up space on your computer. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Ehoni Obed and you're welcome to our channel. If this happens to be the first time you are here or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do subscribe for more tutorial videos like this, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified anytime that we release a new video. So this happens to be the second part of two videos on how to free up space on your computer. We know that unwanted files that are stored on a computer will end up taking a whole lot of space on it and eventually cause the PC to slow down. So this step that we are going to learn is very important for you to clean up the space and also help boost the performance of your PC. In this video, I'm going to walk you through two different ways to clear out these unwanted files. So let's get into the computer and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Alright, so on the computer, you have to go to your this PC, as in your local disk C, where you find the local disk C. So I'm using the shortcut Windows key combination with E to get there. Alright, then as you can see from the left side, I have this PC. Click on this PC. Then we have local disk C. Right click on your local disk C. That's the first method I'm showing you. You are using what is called disk cleanup. So we are going into the disk to do a cleanup. Properties. Don't worry, you are not going to lose your important things. The computer itself is going to determine what is not important for you to be able to delete. So you get this pane over here, local disk properties. Let me magnify it for you to see. Okay, so as you can see, this is the pane that we get, and I have this cleanup over here. Just click on this disk cleanup. So it will take a few seconds to minutes for it to calculate how much size you can actually get rid of from your computer. Okay, so this is what we have after it has done the calculation, and I've been cleaning up my temporary files most often, so I have few right now to deal with, and I can free up to 132 megabytes of disk space. This will be very different for every one of you out there, depending on how often you use your computer and what you actually use it for. So go through it and tick mark all the things that you can actually delete. So for instance, downloaded program files 0 bytes, temporary internet files 30.3, it has been checked, so I can delete those ones. Then offline pages, if you don't want them any longer, you can still check that one. Recycle bin over here is 0 because I've already emptied it. Temporary files 51.8 megabytes, so you can select the temporary files too and delete them. Then once you are done selecting the things you want to delete, just click OK to get rid of them. So delete, confirm the permanent delete of these files, and you clean up the space that are wanted on your computer. Okay, so finally let me show you the second way to go about it. With the second way to go about it, just use the keyboard combination, the Windows key and R. Windows key R brings up the run dialog box. Then type in the percentage sign, then temp for temporary, TEMP. The percentage sign, TEMP, then the percentage sign. Then click enter. Okay, so this opens up the temporary files that you have on your PC. And as I keep saying, this may be different from yours. You may have a huge chunk of unwanted files here in this folder, which may be so huge inside. Currently, because I've been deleting a lot of my temporary files, you don't see much of them here. But all you need to do now is to select everything in the folder, then click delete. But if you click just delete, it's going to delete and keep them in the recycle bin, which will still be on your computer. So you have to use the shift delete. That is a permanent delete of these things, so that they don't end up taking another space on your computer. So shift and delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 23 items? Yes. One thing worth noting is that it's not everything that is going to be deleted, because certain things are currently in use. So anything that comes up as a pop-up that is not going to be deleted, just skip it, because it means you are probably using it, and maybe when you close the computer or switch it off, that thing will get deleted by itself. So for instance, I am using the Camtasia app to do this recording, hence I cannot delete the temporary files associated with it. So I have to click do this for current items, then skip it. Okay, so eventually I've gotten rid of these unwanted files that were taking up space on my computer, and the computer would get back to its normal state if that was the reason why it was slowing down. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you have learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to, and also share the video with your colleagues and let them also learn about some of these things to help them out when they are using their PC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.